Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, and I am so excited to come back here in my YouTube channel to teach you another TikTok dance challenge from So if you're ready, let's get started. So remember, this is a mirrored view, so this is my left and this is my right. Okay guys, so we will break this down into 3 parts. The first part of the dance is like this. So we go like 1, 2, 3, clap. Okay, so again, 1, 2, 3, and then clap. Okay, so you just go right, left, right, and then clap, and then just put some hump. Okay, so we go like clap. Next, we'll just go to another side, 5, 6, 7, and then clap again. But when you clap, you just need to close your feet, okay? So let's do it one more time. So we go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. So after that, we'll just turn around. So I will just cross my leg. So I will use my right foot here in the front, and then left foot at the back. Okay, and then twist going to your left side. Okay, let's do it again. So we go like 1, 2. Next, I'll just go back to the same place that I turned. So I will just use my left foot here in front, and then right foot at the back, and then twist. Okay, now let's take it from the top. So we go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, jump. 1, twist, 2, twist. Now, as you can see, I just placed my feet here. So after that, we'll just go 1, 2, 3, and then nod your head. 4. Okay, so again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's take it from the top. So we go like 1, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, 3, clap. Jump, and then turn. Jump, and then turn. And then we go 1, 2, 3, and nod. Okay, now let's try to count. So we go like 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then right. 6, 7, 8. Now let's try this in a slow music. Okay, now let's move on to the next step. So after this one, now we will just go like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so going to the left and then right. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, 5, 6. And then jump, 7, 8. Okay, so you just need to put your right hand here on your head, and then you just go like boom, boom. Now let's take it from the top. So we go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then jump. 7, 8. Now let's move on to the next step. So after this, we'll just move like 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so right hand first, right, left, right, and then left. Okay, so don't forget that you need to put your legs too. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, after this, we will just jump going to the right side, and then close your arms and then nod 2 times. Ha, ha. Now let's take it from the top. Let's review, okay? So we go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump. 1, 2. Jump. 3, 4. And then 5, 6, 7, 8. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Jump. 7, 8. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's try this in a slow music.
Something I can feel. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just me at the.
Now let's move on to the third part, and this will be our last step for this dance challenge, okay? So after this one, now we will move on to the chorus part, which is the APT, okay? So from here, I'll just go back and then swing my body side to side, okay? So just need to put your hands up, and then you just go to the left, to the right, and to the left, okay? So 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and then from here, I'll just jump and then open my legs. And also close your arms like this, okay? Now let's do it one more time. So we go like 1, 2, 3, 4. After this is I'll just bend my knees. So from side to side, so we go like right and then left, okay? Let's do it. So we go like 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, we go like up, 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 up. So bounce, 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 bounce. And then from here is we will do the ending pose, which is like the and then Now let's take it one more time. So from here, ready, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump. 5, 6. Now let's take it from the top. Let's do it slowly. So we go like 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Jump. 7, 8. And then after that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, the chorus step. So we go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, bounce, bounce, jump. 5, 6. Now let's try this in a slow music.
Something I can feel. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just me at the.
Okay guys, so that's it for today. So hope you learned something again from me. And if you like this video, make sure that you hit that like button, make some comment, and please, please, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. And also, I just want to shout out to all the people who supported me here on my YouTube channel, and then my TikTok account, and also to my Facebook page. So if you want me to shout you out, just comment down below and I will put you on my next video. Okay, so that's it, and see you guys on my next video. Peace out!